So here is the simple problem. The highest common factor of two numbers is 8, while their least common multiple is 144. Find the other number if one of them is 16. Let's take a look at the given problem and analyze the given information. The problem states that there are two numbers. One of them is 16 and the other is unknown. Let the unknown number be x. The highest common factor of these two numbers is also given, which is 8, as well as the least common multiple, which is 144. So how do we solve for the value of x? Let's use the division method for this one. 16 and the unknown number, which is x, has a common factor of 8. Therefore, the factor pair of 8 to come up with 16 is obviously 2. For the unknown number, the factor pair of 8 is also unknown. Let that number be y. And to get the value of x, we must first solve for the value of y. The problem says that the LCM is 144. It means this number is the product of 8 times 2 times y. Of course, 8 times 2 is 16. It means the value of y is equals to 144 divided by 16, where we get 9. So, to get the value of x, we simply multiply the given factors, which are 8 and 9. That would give us 72. So the number that we are looking for is 72. And there you have it. So what do you think about this lesson?